Hey there, my name's Abby Lowry, and I am the Information Literacy Librarian here at University of Lynchburg. Today I'm going to walk you through how to use Onesearch. All right, so you may be wondering, what is Onesearch? Well, it's a search engine that allows you to search for books, articles, and more all at the same time. It brings together the article level content of a large selection of the journals and databases that we subscribe to, as well as our physical holdings, so think books, and our digital library collections. It brings all of those together into a single search interface. So why should you use it? Well, because it's pulling all of those things together, it saves you time. It can also be a great starting point for interdisciplinary research. It's also nice because it displays the most relevant results first. So no matter the format, whether it's a book, an article, media, the most relevant things are always going to float to the top. And of course, it can help you to discover content that you're not going to find if you're only searching a single database. Okay, so that's what it is, and that's why you should use it. So let's talk about how you use it. All right, it works just like any internet search engine. You're going to plug in your keywords, search terms, article title, author, whatever information you have right into the search bar. And today, we are doing a sample search of climate change. And I'm putting our search terms in quotation marks so that the results will only bring back things that have that phrase instead of the individual words. All right, go ahead and hit search. We're taken right out to our search result page. You're always going to be prompted to sign in first. It's a good thing to get in the habit of doing. It'll save you time later should you need to request some articles in order to look at them. And also, if you're off campus, you'll need to do that to actually have access to some of the things that we have. All right, so we've signed in with our University of Lynchburg credentials. And you can see here we've got almost 5 million results, which is way too many to go through. But let me give you a quick overview. So the first things we've got are books. You can see it has a description of what the item is right above the title. More books, more and more books. And you can see because it's saying available online, these are actually electronic books, so things that you would be able to read from your computer. All right, so the first page is all books, which is great, but let's say that your professor specifically asked you to find journal articles. All right, we can limit our search over here on the left-hand side. In this menu, we've got resource type. And you can see there is an option for articles a little bit further down. And once we select that, you can see our search results drop dramatically. All right, so now we're just looking at articles, but we can pare that down even further. Let's say that your professor specifically asked for peer-reviewed articles or scholarly items. You can do that also over here on the left-hand side. So we'll apply that filter. See results drop down again. Some of the things are still the same. And scrolling through, just give you an example of one. So let's say that you wanted to look at this one. By clicking on the title, it takes you into the record for it. You can see there are a few options for how you'd be able to view it online. And for a lot of these, it's nice the abstract is actually in the record itself. All right, so that's a brief overview. Should you have any more questions, you can always use this little button over here to chat with the librarian or to take a look at our FAQs.